In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Jetta key fob. Now in the thumbnail, you probably saw two versions of this device. There is the one with the metal finishings, and then there's one that's just all black all the way through. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is the same for both of them, and you can follow along with this video. All you will need to get it done is a small sized screwdriver or similar metal instrument. Show you more on what you need just in a second here. And just one CR2032 battery is enough to power this device. So if you'd like to get one of these online, you can go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find them for a great price. Now let's get right into this. We want to look up on the top of the device, and you can see that switch right there. Pull that back, and now you'll be able to remove. Make sure that it's all the way back, and then you can just lift up this internal key. And now we're going to be going in the keyhole with a thin screwdriver and pushing off this back piece of plastic. So something thinner is actually going to work best. Like ideally you want something, excuse me, about this size. And what we do is we go inside, and you want to go deep enough that you're past the metal. So you want to be in here, and then you're just going to hold kind of on the bottom so you're not pushing down here on the plastic, because this is what will be coming off. You just want to pry, kind of find the right spot in there, and then you pry and the back comes right off. So you don't need something this small. It is just a little bit easier. And if you have the black version, this part is plastic, and so it being more flexible makes it really easy to pop off the back. Let me just show you how you can do it with a more normal sized screwdriver. You're just going to go in and start to apply some pressure. And if you see this seam right here starting to open, you know that you're kind of in a good spot, and then you can maybe just apply a little bit more pressure or keep looking for that sweet spot. Once you have the back off, you can just set that down. And if you're using a flathead screwdriver, you just want to come over in between these two tabs and just gently push in to kind of pry out the battery, and it will pop right out. Make sure when you're putting in your new CR2032 that the positive side with the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it under and then click it under those two tabs right there. And now we just put it back together, which is very easy to do. Just make sure it is lined up and then squeeze it back together. And then you can put the key in there as well. There we go. If you want to verify that you did everything correctly, you can make sure that this indicator light is working, and that just means you are good to go and your battery has juice in it. And yeah, so that's all it takes. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to drop us a comment or a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a video just like this one. And you can also get all this information and more over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.